Hello BSG squad, my name is Dana from Rice Kitty Nails, and my favorite thing about BSG is that they have a wide range of colors to choose from. I have been using BSG since 2016. I found out about them by my friend Melissa. She tagged me in one of their Instagram photos. How did you hear of BSG? We would love to know. Let us know in the comments down below. In today's video, I'll be explaining to you about Seaweed Gel's 2-color gel polish line, Unity All-in-One and 3-step color gel polish. We will go over the similarities, differences, benefits, and I will be showing you how to apply these products with tips and tricks for best results. With proper prep and application, Seaweed Gels can last up to 2 weeks for high shine and chip-free wear. Let's start by explaining a little more about Seaweed Gel's company. BSG is proudly Canadian family-owned and operated company since 2006 from Toronto, Canada. This year is our 15th birthday. Yay! Happy birthday, Seaweed Gel! BSG's main priority is to focus on healthier nail products. Our product formulas are all Big 5 free, meaning that they do not include the common harsh chemicals found in most nail products. All products are also cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and made in the USA. All products do not require the use of primer, bonders, or heavy sanding drilling to the natural nails. Our catalog includes regular nail lacquers, gel polish, sculpting gels, dip powders, nail tools, and accessories. BSG products are professionally grade quality but are nail enthusiast friendly. When you're choosing a nail product, BSG believes that you should not have to compromise between health and beauty. Your nails should make you feel as good as they look. Now that you are more familiar with BSG's brand, let's explore the 2-color gel polish line, Unity All-in-One Gel Polish and 3-step color gel polish. The main difference is that Unity is a 1-step gel and 3-step is a 3-step gel. Unity has the key products built into one bottle. No sanding base, color, no wipe top, and nail strengthener all in one. All you need is one bottle of Unity to complete a full gel manicure and pedicure. 3-step is more traditional gel polish that requires a separate base and top gel polish to be applied with. 3-step is also available in our specialty gel formulas, phases, color changing, and rhinestone extreme glitter gel polishes. Regardless of which color gel polish line you pick, both will have the same high-quality gel application, finish, and wear. Both have a smooth and self-leveling formula that promotes natural nail growth and shine. Let's see both of these color gel polishes in action for a basic gel manicure with BSG. For a 3-step application, you will need choice of 3-step color gel polish, upgraded base 1 gel polish, upgraded no wipe top gel polish. A Unity application, you'll need choice of Unity All-in-One Gel Polish. Lastly, here are the rest of the tools you'll need. Lint-free wipe, 70% plus alcohol, nail file, buffer, cuticle stick, and a U-Light Pro 6. Step 1 is prep. Regardless of which BSG polish line you choose to use, the most important step is prep. You have to have a good foundation for good nails. Take your time to prep. It will really help prolong your mani or pedi. A good prep includes pushing back your cuticles, filing your nails to desired length and shape, applying a light buff to your nails to remove any uneven surfaces and oils, cleansing with 70% plus alcohol to remove any remaining dust or oil. Step 2 is bottle preparation. Okay, we know you are excited to paint your nails, but wait, you have to ensure your bottle is ready too. Especially with Unity, there is a built-in base and top, so before jumping right into painting, be sure to give your bottle a good shake to ensure all products inside are shaken well. A pro tip is to turn your bottle upside down for 5 minutes before use, or use a sanitized toothpick to go inside your bottle and stir all contents well before use. Step 3 is when we can now start painting. For a 3-step, you will need to start with a thin coat of the upgraded base 1 gel polish. Pro tip: if you happen to get any gel polish on your skin or side walls, this could be a sign that the gel polish is being applied too thick. Be sure to wipe off any gel that goes over your skin before curing. For Unity, you can skip the separate base gel polish and start directly with the first coat of Unity, as again, Unity has a built-in base. Only start with a base if you feel like you need the extra strength. Be sure to paint as thin as you can. Your first coat may not be perfectly even in color. It's totally normal for the first layer to look a bit see-through or streaky. Less is more. Step 4 is curing. Be patient and wait for the entire cure time. Cure your base gel polish for 30 seconds and Unity for 60 seconds in the ULite Pro 6. If you're using a non-BSG lamp, we recommend to double all listed cure times. Once cured, you can touch and feel the Unity has cured to the touch. There should be no tacky inhibition layer. In contrast, the base gel polish should be sticky even when cured. Now here is where Unity has a unique feature. Unity has an exclusive solar cure technology, which means that you can cure in natural sunlight without the use of LED and UV lamps. We recommend solar cure for at-home users, so if this sounds something that you would like to try, click here to watch a how-to. Step 5 is to proceed your remaining coats. For 3-step, you will now apply your first thin coat of 3-step color gel polish. Cure for 60 seconds. For Unity, you will now apply your second and typically final thin coat of Unity all-in-one gel polish. Cure for 60 seconds. Step 6 is to finish your coats. For 3-step, you will now apply your second and typically final thin coat of 3-step color gel polish. Cure for 60 seconds. For Unity, you should be now complete and no additional coats required. Again, Unity cures without any tacky inhibition layer, so there's no alcohol cleanse required either. However, you can choose to apply a third coat of color to reach desired opaqueness. Cure for 60 seconds. Unity's purpose is to help you enjoy a quicker gel polish application. Step 7 is to finish with an upgraded no-wipe top gel polish. For 3-step, you must apply the final coat of top and cure for 60 seconds. For Unity, this is optional if you would like to protect the shine of your finished Unity. This is recommended if you are frequently using your hands a lot or if you're going on vacation. Otherwise, Unity has already a built-in shine. And here's our final look. Lastly, this is a tip that may be more important than anything else we usually mention: the aftercare. Even if you did a perfect application and follow all the tips and tricks during your initial application, it doesn't mean that your mani or pedi will last well if you do not continue to upkeep and take care of your nails. So here is what we suggest. 1. Never use your nails as tools. 2. Moisturize and use cuticle oil. 3. Redo your nails after 2 weeks. It's very important to remember that our nails grow out and your manicure is not made to last forever. As your nails grow, the products on your nails are losing its original structure and will not be able to withstand daily impact as well as it could on the first day. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video learning about the difference between 3-step and Unity and how to get the best results for both. Make sure to follow me, Rice Kitty Nails, and Bio Seaweed Gel for new monthly videos. See you next time. Bye, BSG Squad!